Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, October 7th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening in math, regular math. We've got practice 2.2 and honors math, practice 2.3. We're sitting here spending time working on fractions. In science, we've got lesson review, page 425, numbers 1 through 10. Those are reviewed. Questions 11 through 13, those are extra credit. Remember, there's just 2 weeks left in the quarter, so take advantage of the extra credit opportunities when they come. In social studies, there is no homework. However, our Citizen of My Home is due by Friday. Remember, that's an assignment. We talked about going through and doing something out of the ordinary, doing something nice for those at home or other people that you may live with. You have all week to get that done. You need to perform the tasks that you said you would in your action plan, and then answer the questions. In language arts, there is no homework. In literature, we need to read 30 to 45 minutes because we have 1 week remaining for us to meet our AR goal, as AR ends this Friday. CNL and FCS, there is no homework. It's going to be it for this evening. Everyone have a fantastic Monday.